Yo, we back again. What's freaking good with it, bro? All right, let's get right into it. Chat. We are finally finished with this product, bro. For God sakes, we are finally done, bro. So boom, let's get into it. All you guys know, overview is the same. There is like slight little ticks, like like when you put like May, it shows March right here. You know, like it's just like little slight things, but obviously I can fix those anytime. But all the big things are mainly fixed. I don't know about the broker connect though. I don't know. I'm going to try that, but CSV file it should just work. I mean, if it doesn't, bro, just let me know. I mean, like, come on, it should just work. Daily, weekly, all this is obviously implemented with the P&L calendar. The P&L calendar is the main thing that distributes your information to every other thing, to like the video P&L. I don't know if the video P&L stuff works. I haven't tried it because it just keeps breaking. So, I mean, I try my best, but it just keeps breaking. Like I don't have anything else to say with that. I don't know what else to say with the video P&L. It just honestly just keeps breaking. I don't know if I'm going. I don't know if I'm going to just add it there, but I mean, I tried. It'll probably save your video. Like it probably takes time to save your video. It plays. I mean, it did play. I mean, it did everything, but I don't know. It just kind of broke as I was adding more things, and then once I try to fix just the video P&L, it breaks everything else. So I really gotta like either just fix that like as time goes on, because it's obviously broken. I mean, I try my best, but I did what I could. You know what I'm saying? I did what I could. So everything else works perfectly fine. I mean, realistically, all you really need to do is just insert your trades here. I mean, the video P&L is obviously just an extra add-on to it. Um, so, uh, yeah, I mean, everything's good. We got the Broker Connect consistency calculator. Everything is good. I was just mainly working on the mobile version, and yeah, the mobile version is perfectly fine now. As you guys can see, this is all good. Everything's good. So I'm gonna just flip to the mobile part. Um, ebook. I know you guys don't have to fucking buy this shit, bro. I'm just putting this there. You guys do not have to buy this. Uh, it's just for support, because obviously this shit's free. I mean, like, come on, like this shit's free. So obviously I'm just putting this as as support. If you guys want to support me, or just want to be supportive in any type of way. I'm just showing you guys, or just putting that there. Once you click the thing, it will just give you guys automatically to my Shopify website. And obviously, we do have some orders though. We do have some orders that we had. Just a couple, I think a couple hundred or whatever. Just a couple hundred orders. Um, if you guys think I'm lying, I'm not lying. I'll literally show you a picture. Um, I'm not lying. Let me see, because I know some people are like, oh yeah, here's the orders right there. It's like coming in and stuff like that. We have some orders from our friends and some other people that ordered too. We have these also. Um, Also orders from last week as well. We had some orders. I'll show you guys the pictures of those as well, so you guys don't think I'm lying. Here's that. Um, and then here's a few more right there. So it's a little good amount of orders coming in. I'm not fucking getting rich off this shit, but it's extra money to help me, because I mean that shit took me like a week or two, bro, to even build that shit. So I mean, like, this obviously took me like a week, but I'm just gonna get into it. Here is the mobile version I'm about to show you guys right now. Okay, so as you guys can see, this is me on my mobile phone. Um, Obviously, I broke it down. Here is obviously how to put it on your mobile device. You just do this, go to shortcuts, open URL, put the URL right there, um, take you to that. You just log in with your account. Boom, should be there. Then you rename it to whatever name you want to put it. ICT Trade Tracker, images right there. I have my own personal image. I made it with ChatGPT. Just put it right there, and then yeah, it should just be saved to your trading, and it should just be there. simple. And then obviously everything works as is. It should work as is. All your data should be saved as is. Um, this is just me showing everything, how it works on mobile, how it looks on mobile. Uh, everything just honestly surprised me. I mean, like this took me a long ass time to fix the mobile device, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. It took me a good minute, bro, because mobile was the hardest to try to fix. PC easy. I like the first like 2 days it was just already done on PC, but then it was like, yeah, what if people want to use it on mobile? So it's like I had to just find a way. I was about to just fucking just stop because it was getting annoying, and I just kept going, and it finally came out perfectly. So yeah, it works perfectly on mobile. I'm gonna show you. Go ahead and show you guys everything um, on mobile. As you guys can see, once you open the app, yeah, it might direct you to that page, but it'll fix itself. Uh, as you guys can see, you guys can press the X. Then if you want to do it, you can just press off to the side, and then it will just work. You guys can obviously scroll right here. You can click all time. It will always the default will always be all time. It won't be at the month. You have to just switch it to the months. But yeah, this is May, and boom, it will show your accounts right here perfectly as is. And obviously, you guys can sign out right here. Sign out, settings, log into a different account. Um, Trades, daily, show you right there. Weekly, show you right there. Broker Connect, everything there. Consistency. I know it looks kind of weird, but it will fix itself. So, like, say you want to do Tradeify, 50% consistency. Say it's a growth plan account. It's a 25K. Say that evaluation. You'll need this target. Let's say you made 300 or 200. My bad, 200 that day. Say you made 500 the next day, and you're like, oh, well, let me see my consistency. So you'll just press that. Obviously, you see how it just fixed itself. It just fixed itself right then. Then it will be like you're not consistent. Then it will show your best day exceeds that. You'll need this much to reach that target, and then how much you will need per day, or the max you need per day to reach your consistency. And it will give you a tip and a trick to do it, and everything will be set right there. So you don't have to, all these, YouTubers, you don't have to just, see what else, blah, blah, blah. It literally just give you a tip right there to pass this targeting, blah, 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 spread over the next 2 days, aim for this amount. And if you have a 50K account, it should switch to pass a 50K targeting 3,000. You will need 2 days, aim for blah, 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 blah. And then the rules will show you right there, blah, blah, blah. Like, you know what I'm saying? It's just everything. It would just help you in general. It would just help you in general, especially people that struggle with consistency. It will help you in general. And it will literally give you a preset of consistency. So you can literally choose which one. So 40%, and obviously it will switch right here. Aim for 3 days with $1,000, and then if you want a 35%, it will switch again. I mean, it's probably going to be the same thing. And if 30%, boom, you'll aim $750 for this amount of days. So it will just switch exactly how it's supposed to be switched. Settings, everything is right here. Obviously, I know it's ICT generated. You guys can obviously change that. You guys can change the checklist. You guys can press the X, change the checklist, add items, whatever you want. Entry models, you can change it as well, whatever you want. TP zones, you can change it to whatever you want. Ratios, change it to whatever you want. Everything you can change to whatever you want. If you guys want to back up the thing every single time, or every single time you put something, just in case maybe it crashes or whatever, you guys can also do that. But it should sync. You can just sync into your cloud. It should just sync, like, you know what I'm saying, to sync to the cloud right there. It should just sync to it. Import from a broker. If you guys don't want to connect it, you guys can just import the CSV. And if you guys need help, obviously Google's free. I mean, you can do it, or it will tell you right here how to do it. If you want to resell your trade data, you can do it as well here. Quick presets. These are my presets, or these are presets that you will be given. Obviously, you guys can choose the presets. It'll be cream, rose gold. I mean, not rose, just rose, light, slate, ocean, dark. I have my own right here, and that's what I like using. Sometimes it's a little iffy. It likes to switch some things about it a little bit. You might have to switch things sometimes, but yeah. The ebook, obviously, I can get it right here. It will just put me right to that page. The ebook is obviously $20. I'm not charging $500 for a fucking course. I'm not doing that shit, bro. Don't let these niggas fool you, bro. I literally put every YouTuber I watch, all the things I've been through, payouts, everything like that, I showed on here. I don't get consistent payouts every month. not fucking profitable like everybody else, you don't need to buy it. It's like shit I've been through and how to get at least your first payout, at least bare minimum your first payout, you know. But yeah, just give you a goals breakdown. This is literally just for beginners. Intermediate traders, you don't need to buy it. Pro traders, you don't need to buy it. It's just for people that literally just want to get in, and you can literally, I literally technically wrote your notes for you, like literally wrote notes for you. So ICT, order blocks, everything dealing with that, I wrote it down for you. You guys can use this book. You don't even need to write a single thing down. You can just use this book to watch anybody else, like a YouTuber. You can watch the ICT membership. You can watch PB. You can watch TJR, but I don't really. I mean, the boot camp is good, but you guys can watch Dodgy, Aval, whatever, anybody, bro. You guys can watch, and this is kind of a breakdown ebook note list and images to show you this, that, and then you guys can also watch it to like relate to it with TradingView opened. So obviously about this with it, and yeah. So this is what it looks like. You guys can obviously buy now if you guys want. Yeah, you guys can add, delete, whatever you guys want. You know, that's what it looks like. So boom. Yeah. So this is literally what the trading aspect is about. What I just did for this whole week. So finish that. I'm going to lock in more on trading because I was slacking this week on trading. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, it's a green week, but I was very much like my emotions were not there, so it was very kind of a weird week, you know. And some days I did. It was a green day, but it was not a green day where it should have been, you know. So yeah, I did have a red day this week. So yeah, not the best, obviously, but you know, it is what it is. So hope you guys like this series that I just did. I didn't really show you guys how I built it, but I was just showing the progress of every single day of, you know, how it was. But hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoy this journal. It's for free, and only reason it's for free is because I'm not the best fucking coder. Not the best coder at stuff. So I try my best trying to code it with AI, code it with, you know, myself, and then also use Cloud Code, and you know, also just implement codes that I know to build this app and make it, you know, good for you guys. And yeah, it's icttradetracker.com. If you guys want to go use it, you guys obviously can. If you guys want to support me, buy the ebook. And if you guys don't, it's totally fine. I'm not tripping, bro. But yeah, this is everything I just wanted to get through. This is finally done. Just leave in the comments or just leave anything in general. My DM, whatever. Just let me know how you guys like it. Send me a picture if anything's broken. Let me know, and I'll just try to fix it. Also, obviously, send me a video or like a picture of what's broken so I can, you know, identify it and actually fix it. And don't just like say it's broken. Like, show me where it's broken at so I can manually fix it, please. But yeah. Hope you guys have a good one. See you guys. Peace. If you guys want me to do like trading recaps or like, you know, certain trades this week, which I'm going to be locked in, I will do that. So you guys, fucking see you guys. Peace, bro.